Now that the outside of the car is put together, let's look a little bit on the inside. Luckily, the headliner is still intact on this car. But just know, if you ever buy an old cop car, expect for it to be kind of nasty. I've got wires, an old printer, unidentified sticky substances, trash, business cards, IDs, just kind of overall dirty. So this will be a little bit of a before and after type deal. This is what it looks like now. I'm gonna clean it up so that I can go and get it inspected by the sheriff's office, and then eventually we'll do the interior swap, and that's where it's gonna be really awesome. Here we are with another day down. Went ahead, fenders are on both sides, the side skirts, so those are in there. Got a little bit of cleaning going on. Airbags are good. So the car is now still a little dirty on the outside, but otherwise completely ready for inspection. I got in touch with the person who has the title because they were working on getting it transferred, and it's completed and ready to be picked up. So this week or next week the car's going to go and get inspected, and if all goes well, we are going to be back on the road. I appreciate everyone following along. This is just the beginning though. Going to end up rebuilding the engine, doing an interior swap. A lot more to come for this car, but this is a huge milestone right here.